In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group email in Outlook. Creating a group email is an excellent way to simplify the process of staying connected with multiple people at the same time. Whether you're sending updates to your work team or planning a family event, a group email can save you a lot of time and effort. To get started, open Outlook on your computer. Once you have it open, you'll need to navigate to the People or Contacts section of the application. You can find this in the lower left corner of your Outlook window. It might be represented by a simple icon or labeled as People, depending on your version. This section is where all your contact information is typically stored. Once you're in the People or Contacts area, look for an option to create a new contact group and click on New Contact Group. This feature is essentially your gateway to creating a cohesive list of contacts. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to give your new group a name. Take a moment to consider what would be most intuitive for you in the future. Choose a name that clearly describes the group's purpose, like Team for a work-related group or Family for personal use. A descriptive name will make it easier for you to remember and find later on. After naming the group, you'll need to add members to it. Look out for the Add Members button. This is where the magic happens. A few options will appear, but in most cases, you'll want to select from Outlook Contacts. This allows you to directly add anyone already in your contact list to your new group. If someone's email isn't in your contacts yet, no worries. You can simply input their email addresses manually, ensuring they aren't left out of the loop. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to finalize your group. Click on Save and Close to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully created a group email in Outlook. Now you'll find that whenever you want to send an email to everyone in the group, all you need to do is type the group name into the To field of a new email. Outlook will then automatically populate the email with all the contacts in your group, making your communication streamlined and efficient. Having a group email set up can dramatically improve your communication efficiency. It means fewer steps and less room for error when you need to coordinate with multiple people. We hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, with just a few clicks, keeping in touch is easier than ever. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.